Welcome to our series of how to maintain your Titan Pro garden machinery. Before carrying out any work, please ensure the engine is switched off and the spark plug is disconnected. Hello, today we're going to do a spark plug and air filter change on our 15 horsepower engine that is utilised in our Titan Pro wood chipper range. The first task is to remove the top wing nut to release the top of the airbox. The next task is to remove the wing nut that holds on the air filter. The air filter should be changed every 50 hours or 10 hours in unusually dusty circumstances. To install your new filter, locate this hole and line it up with a thread on the engine. Put it through the middle and install the wing nut. Install the other parts in reverse order. To change the spark plug, the first thing to do is to remove the HT lead. Then grab a 21mm spark plug socket, a 6-inch extension and your ratchet. It could be slightly tight, and undo it. Now remove the old spark plug, discard it and get the new one. But before we fit this new one, we're going to check the gap. So the new spark plug should be between 0.7 and 0.8 of a mil. So you can grab your feeler gauge, put it onto 0.7 and we'll just check it. That is slightly too tight, see it's not going all the way in there? So what you need to do is grab a pair of pliers and on the electrode end, just very lightly hold on to it and just pull it out, ever so slightly. It's only going to be a slight movement. You probably are going to go over. I can go in there nice and easy. Slightly too much because I can wiggle it backwards and forwards. Tap it down. There we are, it's perfect. Now that we've gapped our new plug, to put it back in, just rest it in the hole, get your socket and ratchet, gently start screwing it in. Now these spark plugs should be changed every 50 hours or once a year to keep the engine running nice and sweet. Now as you feel it start getting tighter, it will come to a stop and then just do a quarter of a turn more. Get your HT lead, slide it on, and you should hear it click. There it is on. To purchase any spares for our Titan Pro garden machinery, please follow the link below.